Guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. Today we're going to talk about APT, Advanced Package Tools, which is the most common package manager used with Linux. It comes with Ubuntu, Debian, Linux Mint, the list goes on and on. It comes with many Linux distributions, and we're going to take a look at it, pretty much. Begin. If you like videos like this, please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos that we do on this channel, okay? Alright, so one of the reasons why APT is probably the most used package manager is probably because you don't even have to configure it most of the time. Package managers like Yum and Package Tools, or like Yum would be what Fedora comes with, and then Package Tools would be what Slackware comes with. So the thing with package managers such as those is you usually have to configure them. Like on Fedora, for example, you'd have to install additional repositories to be able to really install anything on Yum. But APT comes with a lot of repositories, and pretty much anything you can imagine is in the repositories. I mean, of course you can install more if you'd like, but you probably won't really need to, because APT comes with so many things you can get from the repositories that it has built in, okay? Alright. Another reason that APT would probably be a good choice, or a distro with APT, definitely for beginners, APT is the better choice. So a distro with APT would be something based off Debian or Ubuntu is most likely to come with APT. And those Linux distributions would probably be the best for beginners. And one of those reasons being that APT has many graphical user interface front ends, such as the Synaptic Package Manager and Mint install, stuff like that. So that's really nice to have. And another reason, the last but not least reason, is it's really easy to install stuff. I mean, I know once you configured it, it's like this on other package managers too, but with APT you can type in sudo apt-get install package name. You can pretty much get anything your heart desires pretty much from the apt command line. If you know exactly the package name that you're trying to download and you don't want to go search the Synaptic Package Manager or Software Store front end or something like that. So anyway, those are the good things about APT, and that's pretty much what it is. It's probably the best for beginners. I'd recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.